Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Capital One shopping on Amazon. Alright, let's get started. So first let's Google link Capital One rewards to Amazon. So let's search for that, and here we have the first website, which is shop with points Capital One rewards. What you have to do is click on this website, and over here you can see this is our Amazon website, and over here we have an option to link our Capital One account to Amazon. So here you can see these are the cards that are eligible for shopping with points, and here you have the steps where you can redeem Capital One rewards at Amazon. So now let's click on link your rewards account. So after you click here you will be redirected to the login page of Amazon. So you just have to log into your Amazon account. Alright, so once you log into your account, here you have an option, click on enroll or rewards account. So click over here, and here what you have to do is enter your card information. So here you have to enter the name on card, enter your card number over here, and here select your expiry date, and then click on add your card. So once you add the card over here, you'll be able to use Capital One shopping on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.